Hiya. Some of you asked me how I did the blueprint style render, so I thought I'd do a very quick tutorial and show you how. So I have a scene here already with a camera, a little camera animation and a little kind of character animation. So that's all set up and pre-done. So the only thing I have to do now is if I go up here to the wireframe view in the top right corner of the viewport, click that and I get the wireframe view, and then if I also turn off the transparency, we get this thing. And then if I go to the extra menu functions here, there's a few things I can change. If I go from colour, if I go from single to object, that makes everything white. And then if I do the background, if I go to, I think it's viewport, yep, I get a colour picker here. Yep, I get a colour picker here. So I can basically make it any colour I want. That's why I tend to make it blue. Yep. And then so that's basically what I use. And then I'll turn off all the grids and stuff. And click that guy. Cool. And if you go to view up here and you do render viewport render animations, click that guy, and that'll render your blueprint style thing.